Hello everyone! In this video, I will be talking about the level coordinate system and how it works in Super Mario Bros. X, as well as some cool examples of how it can be used. Alright, so in typical mathematics, the coordinate grid looks like this. There are 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1 can contain only positive numbers, and a third quadrant can only contain negative numbers. Quadrants 2 and 4 can contain both positive numbers and negative numbers. One very important thing when locating certain coordinates is that the value of x, which runs horizontally, comes before the value of y, which runs vertically. Let's just focus on the first quadrant for a moment. If you want to locate the coordinates of 2 and 4, the order would look like this. The first number is the x-coordinate, and the second number is the y-coordinate. However, the coordinate system works a little bit differently in Super Mario Bros. X. So the way it should work is that 0, 0 is in the bottom left corner of the first quadrant, but in Super Mario Bros. X, 0, 0 is in the top left corner. I know it's not mathematically correct, but it's how it works in Super Mario Bros. X for some reason. Now, there are 2 ways you can use coordinates used in Super Mario Bros. X. If you click and hold on the level screen, you will see the rectangle position. The numbers used are quite strange. It's a 6-digit negative number. Let's make some use of this. In this example, let's just say that you want to make the player start in a different position in the level even after having set the start position already. All you need to do is determine whether player 1 or player 2 or both players will be affected by this, and then type in the x and y positions of where you want the player to be. You can use this after any event is triggered, but if you want the script to run right when the level starts, make sure level start is selected and then apply the script to the event. And it works. Like I said, this can work with any event, not just the start of the level. So let's try working with different events. Let's say you want to have the player teleport to another area when hitting a block. Go to the events panel in the sidebar and then select the script that you want to choose. Now the player will move to another position in the level if the block has been hit. There are so many other ways to trigger a script through an event, but play around with this and you might get some cool results. Now, the other way to use coordinates is a little different. The coordinates for the top left corner are 0, 0. To figure out where these coordinates are, drag a marquee from the top left corner of the level window, and the rectangle marquee size will tell you the coordinates of the spot. Unlike the other coordinates that determine the position within the level, these coordinates are mostly used for HUDs and the level timer display. Let's just make something easy. To move the level timer, make sure it is visible first, and then type in the level timer X and Y position as shown here. These coordinates are the top left corner of what the position you set it as. So anyways, thanks for watching. I'll be making a more fun tutorial using this, but until then, I'll be back soon.